Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Brian Gesto. And for today's brand review for episode 77, my newest glasses by Ideal Vision Center. Ideal Vision Center, your first choice for eyewear and eye care products. If you need to have your eyes checked, just go to the nearest Ideal Vision Centers. They offer designer and branded frames and sunglasses at a very affordable price and quality. Located at Level 2 Robinson's Place, Jaro Iloilo City. For their other branches in upper ground floor, SM City, Iloilo, and also at Festive Mall, Megaworld, Iloilo City. And for their other details and information when it comes to their frames, sunglasses, and eye care products, I'll provide description down below or just visit their Facebook page and their following branches. And this episode, it's not sponsored by Ideal Vision Center. Ito binayaran ko in my own personal expense. And disclaimer na mga nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand reviews. Unboxing tayo and short review when it comes to new glasses ko by Ideal Vision Center. But before anything else, please do like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kapag binakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel. I have a very poor visual. Simula nung high school pa ako or grade 6 up to now. Nagko-contact lens ako for vlogs or for meetings. Mga ordinary days lang, nag-eyeglasses ko dito sa bahay or sa labas. So marami nag-recommend sa akin for Ideal Vision. Yan, so meron silang eco bag. Ang ganda ng packaging. Yung branch na pinuntahan ko is Robinson's Place, Jaro, Iloilo City. Wow. Yan. So ang ganda ng case for my eyeglasses. And yung brand na pinili ko is Dickies. Yan. May nakasulat dito. Ayan, trusted brand siya simula nung 2015, 2016, and 2017. Voted by consumers, readers suggest. So, trusted brand talaga to. Maasahan when it comes sa quality and for your frames. And also, meron siya kasamang cloth. So, pinili ko is blue. Ayan. Ayan po yung Dickies. Ayan po yung track. Well, intact naman yung lens ko. As nakita nyo, meron akong dalawang ring light dito sa harapan ko at sa side ko. Yung maganda dito, yung eyeglasses ko, meron na siyang blue shield lenses to protect my eyes from harmful blue light and UV from using gadgets. So, suotin natin. Ayan. Gusto ko to kasi saktong fit. Yung grado ng mata ko is 500, so mataas. Tapos farsighted ako. And also for these glasses, naka-promo na siya for the price range of 1,995 pesos and above. Depends sa frame or sa brand ng eyeglasses na preferred nyo. Malaking tulong na to for meetings and also for my vlogs. It helps lessen the strain of my eyes. Not only that, very stylish siya, very affordable, and very easy to use. Okay, for rating manos for this brand, for their overall products, service, quality, and also experience, I'll give it a perfect 10. So it has an excellent quality of lens, frames, and brands, and also excellent service towards its customers. So thank you so much Ideal Vision, Robinson's Place, Jaro, for this amazing product. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!